We're here at the Elkhorn Creek Trailhead, and we're going to go down to Disappointment Falls. It's only about a mile hike down and a mile hike back up. And if we're still bored and still have some snacks, we might go a little further than that today. But it's a beautiful day, so let's see how it goes. Looking for moose, looking for moose. Getting up these rocky areas. So I found Disappointment Falls today, and this season it is not a disappointment. It is full of water and very beautiful. This is definitely an area where you could sit and do your meditation and your centering and your thankfulness. The waterfall goes quite a ways with just little drops and drops throughout. There's another little section over here that's really pretty. I'm going to see if I can try to get a better shot of this from this angle over here. There's a little spot in here. There we go. Climbing through the woods. I hope you enjoyed the hike with us today. Disappointment Falls was a refreshing surprise. If you enjoyed our journey, please like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all on the next one. Bye, y'all.